The age, the clock is ticking, which is a word I really don't like to use. It comes from medicine, right? Simply because, the fertility of the woman after a certain age become less. My answer to my patients, because I get this all the time. How old was Sayyidah Khadija when she started getting pregnant? In her 40s.
Yeah.
And how many children?
6 children.
Exactly. Yeah. Subhanallah. Right? 4 alive.
Mm-hmm.
But total.
6.
So here you go. When Allah wants you to get pregnant, what is it going to say? Kun fayakun. Right? Sayyidah Maryam, best example.
Yeah.
Yani we have it. This is why I tell you, Islam didn't leave anything, didn't give us, but we just don't pay attention sometimes. Sayyidah Maryam, no baby. No husband, nothing. She became pregnant, right? Sayyidah Aisha, young, he loved her the most, no children. So what we say is, for men, he absolutely advised, alayhi salatu wasalam, Ya ma'ashar al-shabab alaykum bil-ba'a, faman lam yastati' falyasum. Young men, get married early. If you cannot, then fast.
Yep.
Why is that? Because look at around us, the temptations, right? And to stay the way that pleases Allah is not easy. So I need to help myself. And I will say this also to the girls these days, because a lot of temptations around us, social media, media, everything else. So to try to get married early, alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. But if you become 30 or 35, it's not the end of the world. Even if the society think it's the end of the world. In fact, now, again, medicine, if you see it like in the office, the average age of getting pregnant is not 20 or 25. No, it is usually late 20s, early 30s, very common after 35.
Yeah.
So don't delay it. That's what I always tell people. Don't delay it and don't rush it. Yeah. Leave it. Allah will just make dua. And Allah will send you in the right time, the right place. But we, again, the time and the day we're living, we want to take things under control. And who has the control? Alhamdulillah.